got bleach, I've got my hose, I've got hot water, all different cleaning products and different buckets and rubber gloves so I don't have to touch the spider webs. All that is coming out before I clean. And then when the floor's dry, I know I'm happy that the cobwebs are away, but they'll come back. I mean, look, there's all kinds of openings in here. The spiders are going to come back, so I just have to accept that. But as long as I don't get any rats. So I'm going to make a little video of this, but I'll just do a little bit here and there, not bore you with the whole process. So now that you've seen how bad it is, I want to show you how good it is, step by step, and then I'll be able to start piling up the boxes and little bits of furniture which are going to make my house look a lot more streamlined. And that's the advice anyway from the estate agent. Very hot today. Thirsty work. So I am finding filth in here. Now, I am not a filthy person. Please don't think so. But this is my garage and I've literally just shoved things in here for 19 years. I've swept it occasionally. But there was a whole load of stuff against this wall that has been there since the kitchen extension. And it was heavy stuff. So I just left it there. So somehow it's just got really grotty, a good Scottish word, grotty. It means bleh, bleh. It's my garage. Cheers. Cheers, cheers, and cheers. I'm going to turn the hot water tap on. So I'll go down one of the two stepways. This one's a bit steep. I've got a hot and cold tap, and it's great. I would recommend if you've got dogs, washing cars, anything like that. It's got hot and cold. So I'm just going to fill that bucket with hot water just now. So I'll use one of these for the mop, and then I'll use the other one for the mop as well, but like when, you know, to clean it, to finish it off, because that one's going to get filthy. Just pop some bleach in there. That'll be enough. And then I've got this spray as well for things like my tumble dryer and anything else that needs a wipe. And I'll just put clean water in there. So that's it. That's me all ready to go. Turn the water off. Turn the water off while I'm cleaning and mopping. Turn that hot water off. Go and do some sweeping first. I have swept and mopped one tiny little bit. That's all I've done. And I'm going to put this in the basin. And I'm going to switch the video off just now because I want to put some music on while I'm doing this job. It's going to take me over an hour, isn't it? Really, realistically, it's going to take me over an hour. At least until I'm happy. Until I can start moving the stuff in. And I've got a lot of wood. If anyone lives in Dunfermline and wants some free wood before I take it up to the recycle, please do let me know. Right, I'll see you later, guys. I'm going to link the video that shows the end result. Bye for now.